Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add clickable link to Facebook stories. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, tap on history. Okay, then click on choose your image. After that, click on stickers, then click, tap on link, then you paste your link. Okay, then back, tap on YouTube, then profile, click on channel, tap on three dot option, click on share, then copy link. Okay, tap on back, add link, then paste your link, then add. Okay, add your link, just click YouTube and customize and share. That's all. Add clickable link to Facebook stories. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.